Hey, how you doing? I'm Mark Anastasia with Sealed Air Repairs, and I'm here to tell you about the exciting new advancements that we have in inflatables and how to inflate inflatables, okay? What we have here is the Bravo 2000 pump. If you get our emails, you'll see that we put this pump out on our emails all the time, and it's really an absolute workhorse pump. But to make it more efficient, we have a Y connector right here that goes on to the output of the pump right here, and basically what it does is it allows you to connect two inflation hoses to it. Now the reason that's important is instead of just having one inflation hose and you're inflating one chamber, which in this case we've already filled up the body for the purposes of this demonstration to save time, but instead of having just one hose filling up the body, you can have two hoses, and the pump actually operates more efficiently and puts out less heat and less risk of tripping the thermal overload protector. So in this case what we're going to do is there are 6 inflation arms on this pump. And you can see you basically just put the hoses in there, connect them. You got a yellow and a black, so it's easy to see which hose is going where. And then go ahead and connect your hose. And when this fills up, now one thing to keep in mind, I'm going to do 2 different chambers that are 2 different sizes. Keep in mind, this is a yacht slide. And on a typical yacht slide, you have inflated air steps that go, there's usually 3, 4, or 5 steps that'll be here. So while you're filling an arm, you can also have this hose filling up each one of the steps on the slide as well. So you're not just sitting there with one hose, one pump, and waiting. The other thing is that if you're on a yacht and you have a number of fenders that you have to fill up, you can have 3, 4, 5, 6 fenders all lined up, and you have these hoses because the fenders might be the same size, maybe they're different sizes, but instead of one pump, one fender, one hose, you can be doing multiple fenders at the same time. It's really a very inexpensive time-saving thing that we offer. Right here, we've got this one up. And then we're going to go here. So while this big long main arm is still filling up, we've already filled up a middle arm. So you can see how there's very little time being lost as we're inflating these 6 chambers. Now, unfortunately, I don't have the cover sheet on this slide, but if I did have the cover sheet on, there's 4 air stairs that go right here. So while this is still filling, it takes about 2 seconds per air stair. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All 4 of your steps are already filled. This is just now topping off, and that is what the Y connector is all about and the extra hose. The hose is barely, the pump is barely even warm. So you can see this is a really efficient way to use the Y connector and the extra hose. The other thing is we do these hoses in up to 25 meters, which is 82 feet. So if you're on a yacht and you want to put a pump in the garage away from the water, you can have an 82-foot hose coming out. I don't recommend an 82-foot hose with a Y connector, but you can have an 82-foot hose coming out, hitting things on the water, going up to the top deck. A lot of different places you can do it. So it's really, we do the custom hoses, we do the Y connectors, we have the pumps, we have everything in stock in both 120 volt, 60 hertz, and 230 volt, 50 hertz. So if you're interested, contact us at info@sealedairrepairs.com or call us at 505, country code 1, 505, country code 1, 321, 505, 1512, or you can go to our website, sealedairrepairs.com. Thanks again. Look forward to hearing from everybody.